how to set up direct deposit on your Paylocity app. So just go ahead and log into your account and navigate to the top left corner, which should be your profile. So press on this and then you'll reach your my profile. Scroll down to your private and then go to direct deposit. So in direct deposit, that's pretty much where you control, of course, direct deposit. So press on that, the one in the blue circle, and you'll see your bank accounts. So you can go ahead and press that on the pencil found here. So here you can go ahead and do your direct deposit setup and add your bank accounts. So if you don't have your bank accounts yet, go ahead and navigate yourself to the bottom where you can see the bank accounts. Just go ahead and press on plus add account and just put in your bank account details. Sorry about that. But once you've done that, go back to your direct deposit and then press on edit setup. So by pressing on edit setup, you're gonna have to add your details like your allocation type, your amount, but just go ahead and finish that up and scroll down until you're going to your remaining balance. You can go ahead and take a look at that, all down to your remaining balance, and you should be able to see a save option. So just go ahead and press on save and you would have finished setting up your deposit or your direct deposit. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.